Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry key battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2016 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will restore your key fob's functionality quickly and easily. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom edge. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate them without causing any damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Carefully pry out the old CR 2016 battery. Then, insert the new CR 2016 battery, ensuring it's placed in the same orientation as the one you removed. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Once reassembled, test all the buttons to ensure your key fob is working perfectly again. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.